Kawari Ni. The grammar of Kawari Ni is mean instead of, as and, substitute for, or in exchange for, in return for. It means something like this. But actually, you just remember that Kawari Ni is mean instead of or something. So how to use? In Japanese, when you use the grammar of nani nani ni kawari ni, you use with the verb, noun, and sono. But if when you use with the noun, you just use in the casual form. And if you use with the noun, you should end. The noun should be no. Noun plus no and plus kawari ni. If you just use sono, no, you can use sono and plus kawari ni. So this the grammar that you have to remember when you use the kawari ni. And the meaning of kawari ni is mean instead of or something. Now let's see some example of how to use the grammar of nani nani kawari ni. The first example, 私が部長の代わりに出張に行きます。私が部長の代わりに出張に行きます。Which means I will go on a business trip on behalf of my manager. I will go on a business trip on behalf of my manager. The next example, 今朝はコーヒーの代わりにお茶を飲んだ。今朝はコーヒーの代わりにお茶を飲んだ。Which means this morning I drank tea instead of coffee. This morning I drink tea instead of coffee. The first sentence you see that kawari ni, they will use with the bucho. Bucho is mean manager. Shucho ni ikimasu. That means if by the normal, that means your manager should go to for a business trip. But maybe in that time your manager very busy and cannot go to the business trip, so you can go instead of your manager. So you can use bucho no kawari ni shucho ni ikimasu, something like this. And for the second sentence, you see that kohi no kawari ni, which means instead of coffee. That means by the normal you drink coffee, but in the morning, for this morning you didn't eat, you didn't drink coffee, you drink ocha, you drink tea instead. So you can use kohi no kawari ni ocha o nomda, which means this morning I drank tea instead of coffee. The next, 昨日残業した代わりに今日は少し早く帰っていいと言われた。昨日残業した代わりに今日は少し早く帰っていいと言われた。Which means, in exchange for working overtime yesterday, I was told I could leave a little earlier today. In exchange for working overtime yesterday, I was told I could leave a little earlier today. 昨日残業した代わりに In this sentence, you see that they use the verb 残業する、残業した代わりに right? That means instead of you work overtime last night or yesterday, right? So what if to replace in that? To replace in that means 少し早く帰っていいと言われた。Which means you should today you can back home earlier, right? For example, actually it's 5 o'clock. That is the work time, but you can go back about 4 o'clock or 4:30, about that. The next example, Kuruma de kita no de kohi no kawari ni cola o kudasai. Kuruma de kita no de biru no kawari ni cola o kudasai. Which means, since I came by car, I will have a cola instead of beer. Since I came by car, I will have a cola instead of beer. That means actually you drink beer, but today you come to work or come to join the party by car, so you cannot drink beer. So today you tell another body or tell the service person that you should drink. You can